Whoa!
Come and show Mummy your boots. Come and show Mummy your boots. Wow, you look like a cowboy.
Sarah, come and show Daddy your boots.
You go show Daddy your boots. No, not Mummy doesn't want to wear your sneakers. You go show Daddy your new boots from Uncle Dave. They're making lots of little lights flash. Thank you. They don't fit Mummy. They're too small for Mummy. Sarah, gonna go show Daddy your new boots? No, not your shoes, your boots. Look at this. Oh, sit down, Mummy will show you. Look. So when you stand up and you go, wow! They are cool. Ready? You're gonna jump. That's it. Jump! Jump!